What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 4 o'clock.
Where are your friends?
They went to the restaurant.
Where there are a lot of people there.
No, only like 10.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at a map of the city.
What are you watching right now?
I'm watching the TV.
Do you know what this thing is?
No, I don't.
Is it going to be sunny today?
No, the forecast says it is going to be rainy.
Is it going to rain today?
No, I don't think so.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
Who is that?
That is John.
How is he?
He is great.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid of anything.
Are you busy?
At the moment I'm not.
Does this taste good?
No, it doesn't taste good.
Do you have the time?
Yeah, it's almost 2.
This is your, isn't?
No, it isn't mine.
What size shoe do you wear?
I wear a size 32.
Would you like to come with us?
Yeah, that would be great.
How soon can you pay me back?
I can pay you back tomorrow.
Would you go through again?
No way, it was terrible.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Can you play tennis?
No, I play football.
It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Do you think Spanish is difficult?
Yes, it's very difficult for me.
When are you coming back?
I'll be back on Tuesday.
Did you and Nicole like the movie?
I did, Nicole didn't.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Why is it difficult?
Because the grammar is very complicated.
Does she have a car?
No, she doesn't.
We are lost, aren't we?
Yep.
Do you know how to use this?
No, I don't know how to use this all.
Do you like the school uniform?
We don't wear uniforms at school, actually.
Have you ever written a poem?
Yes, in high school.
Is it cold today?
No, it isn't.
These flowers are nice, aren't they?
Yes, what kind are they?
Is your friend Chinese?
Yes, he is.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Can you give me an example of this word?
Sure.
What sport do you like?
I like playing badminton.
Have you ever been to Montreal?
No, never.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm crazy about pop music.
What part of the US are you from?
I'm from California.
How long have you known each other?
Since children.
Who would you like to speak to?
I would like to speak to John.
Where's the weather nice?
Yes, the weather was great.
It's nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect.
Where are you going for your vacation?
I'm not sure. I might go to Italy.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it's freezing. Take a jacket.
Do you like classical music?
Yes, I do.
Shall we go out?
No, let's not go out.
Did you buy any cherries?
No, there weren't any at the store.
When did Noboru leave?
He left 10 minutes ago.
Will you be at school tomorrow?
Of course, I can't miss school.
Does she know Claude?
No, she's never met him.
What is favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
How come this is so expensive?
Because it's good quality.
Why are the police outside the bank?
There was a robbery.
Why are you studying English?
So I can communicate when I travel.
Do you know where my phone is?
Your phone is on the table.
Where can I buy a bottle of water?
There's a convenience store at the end of the block.
Do you think Remy will get the job?
I guess so.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly. We accept all major cards.
Are you raising any pets?
Yes, I have a pit bull puppy at home.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said, where are you from?
Is your mother at home?
No, she's out.
Is it easy to play that sport?
Yes, it's pretty easy to play.
What does your father do?
My father is doctor. He works at the local hospital.
Charlotte lives near you, doesn't she?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Where would like to go?
I'd like to go home.
Do you have a camera?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite type of book?
I love reading books about different culture.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Does the clock work?
No, it's broken.
Do you want to walk home?
No, let's take the bus.
May I open the window?
Certainly, it's very hot in the office today.
Does he speak English well?
Yes, he speaks English better than I do.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Are you leaving now?
Yes,
How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by credit card?
Do you like to go to the movies?
Yes, I go to the movies a lot.
Are you tired?
I was, but I am not now.
How often do you have a vacation?
I have a vacation once a year.
How long have you been learning English?
For 2 years.
Are you watching TV?
No, you can turn it off.
Should I call you tonight?
No, call me in the morning.
Did you have fun at the party?
No, I didn't.
Is your wife a doctor?
No, she's a teacher.
Was your exam difficult?
No, it was easy.
When does Hanako start her new job?
I don't know.
Are you Australian?
No, I'm Canadian.
Is that sport popular in your country?
Yes, it is.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How did you learn English?
I took classes for 3 years.
You haven't eaten yet, have you?
No, I'm not hungry.
Claude went to college, didn't he?
Yes, he studied psychology.
What are you doing tomorrow afternoon?
I'm working.
Would you like to go out tonight?
I'd rather not.
Are Vincent and Valerie here?
Yes, they just arrived.
Are you coming back soon?
Yes, I'll be back next week.
When is Heideki going to work?
He's already gone to work.